all kinds of stuff you can learn on my channel. You just have to get in there and start watching some of these videos. Okay, what else did I do over here? Spot clean carpets. Oh, main bathroom bamboo shade is missing the cap for the chain holder. And see, let's see here. See here, there's a nice bamboo roller here. And this was down, and see, the chain is one long chain, and then they attach it with this little box, and that holds one of the balls, and one of the balls at the top in a little socket here, and then this cap comes off and it snaps. Well, sometimes the cap breaks, it comes off, and somebody might think, oh, what's that on the floor? They throw it away. And then when you keep pulling these chains up and down, you know, for the blinds, eventually this falls out of the socket, this thing comes apart, and then you have to redo the chain up there, and then you have to be like, what am I going to do with the box? Well, if you can't find the box, you can put this back together, and then you can put some super glue over those two holes, you know, and let it dry, and it's not going to come back out. You won't have the trim, the top of the box to snap on. See the little line right there? One side or the other snaps off. Sometimes they just fold over and one side stays. Other times that breaks or the whole thing pops off with a little screwdriver. Okay, so what do you do about that? Well, I had some glue, some crazy glue, but I came over here at this existing door where these blinds are, and sometimes, now see, here's their box that connects. Sometimes they have two of these boxes on here. If you look at your chains, you might think, hey, I've got two boxes, what's the deal with that? Well, when you pull, it's designed to where when you pull this up, it's maybe only gonna go up so far, and then you want it to stop, okay, before it starts bunching up too high or something. Well, usually they come with two boxes. The other box, you just fold over wherever you want it. You know, after you pull the chain up, you know, here, I'm pulling these blinds up. Okay, see, here's the box right there. Now, that box isn't gonna go all the way up, is it? See, I'm almost up here tight, and this box is still down there. If you don't want somebody to keep jerking on this and getting this, the higher you go, the heavier it gets, and the higher you go, eventually you can't pull it up any higher. Somebody could jerk this and break the little plastic. This is just plastic, you know. So you could easily take this. But if you had an extra box, you could put another box right there on the chain, let's say. Okay, pull it down, now put the box right there. So as you pull it up, then the box stops, right? It stops right up against this goodie here, see? Okay, so anyways, I was lucky enough, and I found an extra box on this chain, and I took the box off, and then I took the cap bit and I put it over in the other room. That's how I fixed it. Now sometimes these don't have that. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. So you're gonna have to look at that. That's how I fixed that.